Okay, I'm gonna show you how to go and turn these notifications off, these annoying notifications that pop up in this bottom right hand corner. It's very annoying. You close them and close them and close them, and then they come right back up. First thing what you want to do is go through to these three dots right here, click on it, and go down to settings. Once you click settings, you can go to advanced over here on the right hand side. Click on the advanced and go to privacy and security. Once you click on the privacy and security, you go over here and you go to site settings right here. You click on the site settings and you go down until you see notifications and click on it. And once you get on notifications, only thing you have to do where it says ask before sending, you just turn this off. It'll say it's blocked. So all of this stuff is now blocked. So if you don't want to block everything, you can just turn this back on and just go to the ones. Say for instance this one right here, we'll say Reddit. So you can just go right here and hit block, or you can remove it. So if I hit block, it's going to go up here to the blocked. So if I want to bring it back out, I can say allow. So again, if you want everything to be blocked from coming in this corner, it's very annoying. Just click this. Now you're good. Or you could go right here and go straight to this site right here, Chrome/settings/contents, and it'll be in my description below. You can just click on that link and it'll take you straight to it. I'm going to show you, for example. Say if I'm right here, I'm going to just type it in here and it'll take you straight to your notifications. So you won't have to go through all those steps. Then you just go here, either turn it on or turn it back off. All right. If this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching welding and stuff.